Hey everyone, it's Susanna here with Health Ed Solutions, and today's lesson is on heart sounds. Don't forget to visit us online at healthedsolutions.com for more free content. Now, let's get started. Normal heart sounds can be heard using a stethoscope. The classic lub-dub sound is caused by the closing of valves within the heart. Lub is the sound we hear as the atrioventricular valves close. Open, closed, open, closed, open, closed. This closing occurs at the start of ventricular systole. The purpose of this AV valve closure is to prevent ejecting blood from regurgitating into the atria. Dub is the sound we hear as the semilunar valves close. Open semilunar valves, closed semilunar valves. Open, closed. Open, closed. And this closing of these semilunar valves occurs at the end of ventricular systole. The purpose of the semilunar valves closing is to prevent blood that has just been pumped out of the great arteries from backflowing into the ventricles. A phonocardiogram is a line that visually shows you the sounds the heart makes while it's pumping. This word literally means heart, sounds, written. And the wiggles in the phonocardiogram represent sounds being made. The closing of the AV valves is referred to as S1, or heart sound 1. The closing of the semilunar valves is referred to as S2, or heart sound 2. S1 is called lub, and S2 is called dub. You can see that between the closing of the atrioventricular valves and the closing of the semilunar valves, there should be healthy silence. Systole and blood ejection from the ventricles occurs between S1 and S2, and then diastole occurs between S2 and S1 and lasts longer than systole. Let's listen to a recording of normal heart sounds taken with the stethoscope on the apex of the heart. This position is best for hearing S1, particularly the closing of the mitral valve. Lub will be louder and more dominant sounding than dub in this recording. Next, let's listen to another recording of normal heart sounds, this time taken with the stethoscope higher up on the heart, where S2 sound will be best heard, particularly the closing of the aortic valve. In this recording, the dub sound will be most apparent. Other sounds that occur may indicate valve problems or other structural abnormalities. These sounds may be described as murmurs, whooshes, crescendos, or clicks. That's it for our lesson today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to please like and subscribe below.